Hello! Hi guys! Good afternoon! Happy Thursday! Thursday na tayo ngayon. Ang bilis ng panahon. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. I am currently 20 weeks and 1 day pregnant! Nakaka-happy! Maganda yung resulta ng ating ultrasound. Everything's going well. So, nakaka-happy. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon kasi ano bang ginawa ko? Naglinis ako, guys. Naglinis ako ng bahay kasi sabi ko, bakit ang dumi ng bahay? Siguro hindi mo siya madumi. Feeling ko lang madumi siya. Nag-steam ako ng floor. Steam mop. And, yeah. The house looks really nice and clean. Today, oh my gosh, nahilo ko doon. Pupunta mamaya si Eli at saka si Theo. I'm gonna look after them while mag-grocery shopping yung kanilang mama. So, they will be here in about an hour or so. 2:30 daw sabi ni Aunt sa akin. So, yeah. Now, I need to eat. Wala pa akong lunch, guys. 1:18 na ng hapon. Anong kakainin ko? Ito na naman tayo. Ano to? Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. Kahapon, binilhan ako ni Don ng ensaymado. Bumili siya ng 4 para sa akin. Bumili siya ng 5. Kinain niya yung isa. Meron akong 3 natira dito kasi kinain ko na yung ensaymada kanina. 3 ensaymada. Masarap to. Galing to sa yung Panaderya, kalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Basta Panaderya siya sa likod ng shop ni Ate Cheryl. I-leave ko yung address sa description box kung interesado kayo. Anong kakainin ko? May rice ba ako? Yes, I have rice. Let's see what we have in here. Nasa Asian shop si Dan kanina. Napadaan siya sa Asian shop ba? Sabi ko, pwede mo ba tingnan kung may jackfruit? Yung totoong jackfruit, yung hindi nasa can. Iba kasi yung lasa ng nasa can. Yung as in, jackfruit talaga. Naghanap pa talaga ng jackfruit. Anong kakainin ko? Gotcha. Sardinas tayo, guys. Iba to. Sardinas to in natural oil. So, iinitin ko siya. Kain tayo sardinas. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Initin lang natin yan. Ngayon pa talaga ako nagsardinas noon, Pupunta yung kapatid ni Dan at saka yung mga bata. Pero okay lang. Ihay natin yung ating fan. Ay lang yan. Ay, kandila. Iwan natin yung kandila sa gilid. Ang bango nitong kandila na to. Malapit na siya maubos. Oy, guys! Nakuha namin yung bahay! Na-approve yung application namin sa bahay na tinignan namin nung Tuesday. As in, lakas naman niya. Lakas ng apoy. Nakuha namin. Hindi namin in-expect na makukuha namin siya kasi maraming nagpunta doon na mga grupo. Pero nakuha namin siya. Nag-apply kami that night agad-agad. And we got it. So, hindi na kami titigin ng bahay. Meron na kaming bahay na lilipatan. So, yeah, at least that's done, diba? Wala na kaming iisipin. Akala talaga namin hindi namin siya makukuha kasi maaga kasi kami. And kapag may nag-apply and gusto nilang mag-rent agad-agad, alam mo yun, like, mas malaki yung kikitain nila. Pero sinabi namin na magbabayad kami ng advance, ganun-ganun, para hopefully ba makonsider nila yung offer namin, and they did. So, nakuha namin siya, guys. At least hindi na kami maghahanap. Ay, nakaka-happy. Okay siya kasi double garage. Hindi ako nag-vlog dun sa bahay na yun Pero, pakita ko sa inyo kasi nakuha na natin siya. Kapag nakalipat na tayo, hindi ko alam kung ano yung galawan, kung makakapunta-punta ba kami doon before kami mag-take over sa lease. Hindi ko alam. Pero, we'll see. Tatanungin natin si Dan mamaya. Tinawagan niya ako kanina while nasa shower ako. Sabi niya, we got the house. Sabi ko, as in? Kasi sabi niya talaga sa akin, hindi natin ito makukuha, pero try lang natin. Kasi sa mga pinupuntahan namin ng mga for rent, ang dami ding tumitingin-tingin ng mga bahay ngayon. Hindi din namin alam kung bakit. Anyway, initin ko lang yung aking rice kasi my sardines is almost ready. Ito na yung ating lunch, guys. Kanina pa to dito, hindi na to mainit yung rice kasi tumawag yung mama ni Dan. Pero kain tayo. Lunch time. Kain, kain, kain. Itabi natin to sila, guys. Kasi darating na yung mga bata mamaya-maya lang. Dito na kasi ako nag-i-edit kasi dyan ang init. And kailangan nakakonect yung MacBook ko sa charger all that time. So nakalabas yung ating extension cord. Pero balik natin ito sa table. Dito ako nag-i-edit para ang tawag doon, nakasandal ako dyan ba? Tapos meron pa akong soft na pillow. Balik natin siya dito. Itong suot ko, ito yung nabili ko sa Cotton On, yung pang kids, 9 to 10. Tinanggal ko na yung drawstring niya kasi hindi din naman nagagamit. Pag stretch ko pa lang sa kanya, wala na. Dumating na, sagad na yung drawstring. Feeling ko hindi ko siya tinanggal. Parang napunta lang siya sa ilalim. Yeah, parang napunta lang siya sa ilalim, guys. Very stretchy niya, which is good. And napaka-soft, as in sobrang soft nitong tracky pants ang tawag. Sobrang soft niya. Siguro kung may size, ano sila nito? Size up. Kaya lang galing kasi itong kids. And meron silang teens. Hindi ganito ka-soft. Dito na sila! Eli, what did you do today? Did you get an injection?
Yeah.
Show us. Show us your injection. I heard you were really brave. It didn't hurt?
No.
Good job. Let me see. He's got a flu injection. And so is Theo. Isn't that right? Theo, is that right? Did you get an injection?
No.
Yes, you did. And Eli was so brave, so Theo wasn't scared. And you weren't scared. It was easy, wasn't it?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Okay, let's see what we have. Alright, let's see what we have. I heard you've got cheese. Let's see.
Where's my treat?
Theo, do you want some food as well? Let me see your injection. Brave boy, good job.
I got stamps of bears.
Did he?
Yeah, but the foggy now here.
Okay. How about you? What did you get? Yummy?
What toilet was it?
He went to the adult's toilet. Yes. Hinahanap nila yung fish. Sabi ko nasa toilet. Where's the fish, Theo? Where did he go? To the toilet? There? No, it's not there. Silly. Did he go to the toilet, Eli? The fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then what happened to him?
He got flushed inside.
He got flushed. Now he's gone.
Yeah. Yucky weed.
Yucky. How's your cheese? Are you eating your cheese? Good boy. You're almost finished with your cheese, Theo. You have Sultana here. You okay? You don't have school today? No. Guys, late na. Well, hindi naman siya late. Pero usually kasi nagluluto ako ng mga 6. Minsan wala pang 6. Nag-start na ako maluto. Pero mabilis lang naman to. Kawawa si Dan. Kasi pag-check ko sa fridge, sabi ko, hala, parmesan cheese pala. Tinawagan ko siya. Sabi niya, okay lang, okay lang. Sabi niya, malapit na ako sa bahay. Pero balik ako kasi hindi pa ako nakarating sa bahay. Sabi ko, pwede mo bang i-drop lang yung mga na-shopping mo para makasimula na ako magluto? Yung asawa ko talaga. Sorry naman. Sabi ko, sorry. Sabi niya, okay lang. Walang problema. Malapit lang naman yung shops. Habang nasa car pa siya ba? So, kinuha ko na lang yung mga pinamili niya. Chicken thigh fillets, mushroom. Gagawa ako ng chicken Alfredo na ito yung gamitin namin ng pasta. Fusilli. Meron sana akong spaghetti dun na, diba? Ayaw niya. Gusto niya daw to i-try. So, we'll have that. And then, thickened cream. And napunta siya ng Asian shop kanino. Siya na talaga. Binila niya ako ng sardinas. Na-miss ko mag-sardinas with egg. Ayan. And then, bumili siya nito. Quick and easy breading mix. Kasi pinahanap ko sa kanya yung, ang tawag doon? Yung ginagamit ko na breading mix sa chicken. Crispy fry. Pero wala daw. So, ito lang. Masarap din to eh. Meron actually itong set na merong gravy sana. Pero yeah, yan. Put away natin yun mamaya. Ano pa yung binili niya dun? Nakita niya to, fish cracker. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, cracklings. Ang dami ko pang chips dyan, guys. Kasi hindi ako nag-chips lagi. Kaya lang, sabi ko, wala, gusto ko kumain ng cracklings. Kasi tatanong siya, anong chips gusto mo? Cracklings, walang cracklings. And nag-send siya ng mga pictures. Nakita ko to, fish crackers. So sabi ko, try natin yan. And ala, I got the Italian style. That's not the right one. Okay lang yan. Dapat sweet style. Dalawa pa naman yung binili niya. Isang Italian style na maliit. Tapos isang Filipino style. Yung lagi kong ginagamit is yung sweet style spaghetti sauce. We got hot dogs. Para sa spaghetti. Ito sana yung lulutuin ko ngayon. Yung spaghetti, Filipino style spaghetti. Buti na lang talaga nag-iba yung isip ko. Kasi mas mabilis lutuin yung chicken Alfredo. He got me a mango. Hindi ko na siya pinapabili ng marami kasi one time sobrang mahal. $10 each ata. Imagine guys, $10 each. Binilhan niya ako ng 3. Tapos hindi ko nakain yung 2. Kasi nakalimutan ko siya. Nung bumili ng bahay namin, chinek nila ulit yung bahay. Tapos tinago ko siya, nilagay ko siya sa drawer. Nakalimutan ko siya. Pagtingin ko, wala na. May molds na. Mahal pa naman. Pero ito, hindi siya sour. Sweet siya, pero it's green and it's hard, so it's fine. And then he got me ramen as well. Alright, so that's from the Asian shop. Okay. I-prepare na natin ang dinner. Para mamaya, pagdating ni Dan, maliligo lang yun. And then hopefully, dinner will be ready after niya maligo. Kasi kawawa yung taong yun. Late na dumating sa work. Napagputusan pa. Kawawa naman danig boy ko ay. I-chop ko lang yung mushroom. Tapos chicken. Alright. Let's do this! Ang dami ko ng peeled na garlic. Ginagawa ko yung, nakita ko sa Netflix, yung Nadia's Time to Eat ba yun? Tama ba? Time to cook? Time to eat? Basta sa Netflix. Yung sabi niya, isoak daw sa hot water yung garlic. Tapos, it's easy to peel. So, ngayon, ginagawa ko na siya. Like, ang dami kong pinipeel na garlic. Para kapag gagamitin ko na siya, at least peeled na yung garlic. But then again, pwede naman kayong bumili ng peeled na garlic. Alright, so garlic. And then, chop the mushroom first. And then the chicken. Madali lang to.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that.
Thank you so much, my love.
That's alright.
I'm sorry, babe.
That's alright, it's not a big deal. I'll go for a run.
Oh, you will?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, that's good.
Eat that right from me. Eat before. No,
Alright. No, I'm not gonna be in a hurry then.
No.
Okay. Tatakbo pa siya, guys. Ikaw na talaga, babe. Malab! You're the best. I said you're the best. Someone called me today.
Yep.
Disconnect something.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So they were actually supposed to call me?
Yeah, did you call them back?
No. I thought it was a scam.
I'll take care of it. Yeah, that's alright. I'm surprised they called you.
What is it for? For the new house?
Yeah, it's going to get them to organise getting power connected.
For the rental?
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
So I'll talk to them. I'll find out who they're doing power through and that. I'll sort that out tomorrow.
Oh, sorry, babe.
No, that's alright. I don't mind doing it. Good about the house. The house is nothing special, but it'll do the job.
Yeah, I told Aunt about it and I told your mom as well. Your mom called me today. To tell me that the dinner tomorrow will be at Aunt's, not at her place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's convenient for me, yeah?
Yeah, that's good for you.
Yeah. So I told her, I got a house. She's like, perfect, send me the link. So I sent her the link.
I might get booked to pick me up tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yeah. From here, saves you from dropping me off at Beafield. He probably will.
Okay. I can pick you up though. Okay? If you need to.
Yeah, pick me up. It'll be at the pub or Drakey's house.
Okay,
So
yeah.
I'll let you know where.
Yeah, no, just let me know.
I'll see if Buff can do it. I'll take it.
I'm happy to drop you off and pick you up.
Just in that time of day, the traffic's a bitch.
Is it?
Alright, so I'll drop you off, but I'll be dropped off at a certain spot so you don't have to worry about traffic.
No, don't worry about traffic.
No, because when you have to cut back over, if you have the pub, you have to cut back over, you can't do that. Trust me, it's pretty heavy.
Okay.
Yeah, you drop me off, but we'll make it easy.
Start na ako magluto, guys. Meron na akong butter dun. Tapos isusunod ko na yung garlic. And then the chicken. And then the mushroom. Ayan na. Yung nandyan is butter, tapos garlic, tapos nilagay ko yung chicken, and nung malapit na maluto yung chicken, nilagay ko yung mushroom, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng salt and pepper. Yun lang so far ang nandyan. So yung idadagdag natin is, lalagyan ko siya ng konting chili flakes, konti lang, kasi si Dan, hindi siya mahilig sa maanghang. Lalagyan ko din siya ng Italian herbs mamaya. And then parsley, mamaya. Ngayon, ilalagay na natin ang ating thickened cream. Ubusin ko, maliit lang naman yung thickened cream natin. So, ilalagay ko na yung mga yon. And then, kapag ready na siya, ilalagay ko yung parmesan cheese dyan. Meron ako iba-ibang klase. So, ito yung binili ni Dan. And meron ako nito. Ito yung grated parmesan na natira. And actually, meron pa ako. Pero konti na lang eh. Ito. Grated ba to? Yeah, grated din. So, siguro unahin ko tong dalawa. Tapos ito pang topping mamaya. Tapos na, guys. Ang sarap-sarap. Promise, ang sarap niyan. Dito na yung ating pasta. Na-drain ko na din siya. Wala pa si Dan. But I'm hungry na. So, let's eat. First time namin gamitin tong ganitong pasta. Usually, kasi kapag nag-chicken alfredo ako, bow tie. Ang sarap ng sauce. Very cheesy. Basta, sarap niya. And then, pwede ka din mag-add ng cheese. Hindi na kailangan kasi very cheesy na ng sauce, but I love cheese. So, I'm gonna add more. Ayan na siya. Kain tayo! Kain! Tapos na kami kumain. How was the pasta, my love? Good. Malambot na yung ating atis. As in, malambot na talaga siya, guys. Kakainin na natin siya. Pero gusto ko lang magpasalamat wait sinave ko yun sa email ko, guys. Ang dami kong email na kailangan basahin. Yung nauuna kong basahin is yung unang na dumarating. So, sobrang dami ko pang emails na hindi nakita, na nababaon. Yung iba pang emails ni Dan, hindi ko nakita. Sabi niya, bakit hindi mo to nakita? Sabi ko, nababaon. Merong nagbigay sa akin ng Amazon gift card. Bakit niyo ako binibigyan na to? Please. Wag na, wag na, wag na. Hindi ko nga sinishare yung baby registry ko. Pero sabi si Melissa Gutierrez daw yung nagbigay sa amin ng gift card. Sobrang thank you. Sobrang salamat. But please, wag na. Ito na yung last, ha? Okay na tayo, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Malab, do you wanna say thank you to Melissa?
Thank you, Melissa.
Thank you, Melissa. You didn't have to do it at all. Nagigilty naman ako sa mga ganito, oy. As in, sobrang appreciate ko. Thank you so much. Bigay to ni Manay. So, nilagay namin to siya sa rice nung Sunday. Sunday, right, my love? Yeah, Sunday. And ganyan siya, atis. I don't remember the last time I had atis. Yummers! Kain tayo, guys. Oh, I told them, my love, that we got a house as well.
That's good.
Yeah. Oy! Oy! Tingnan natin. Nakalimutan ko na yung lasa ng atis. Naalala ko, bata pa lang ako, may puno ng atis sa kung saan nakatira kami noon. Yun sa pinupuntahan namin kina Lola pag umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. Tapos, hindi mahinog-hinog yung atis. Kasi as soon as may tumubo, ang daming bata doon, diba? As soon as may tumubo, kinukuha namin. So, hindi ko alam talaga kung ano yung lasa ng hinog na atis. mga batang hindi makahintay. Kasi once nakita namin, hala, may tumubo na, kinukuha agad kasi baka maunahan ng ibang bata. Hindi pa naman puno ni Lola yun. Puno ng ibang tao. Uy, my love, it's good. This is what you saw at the Asian shop. Custard apple. Sabi ni Dan, may custard apple dito. Akala ko kay Mito. Sinerge ko, sabi ko, ay, atis, meron akong ganyan. Babe, it's good. Uy, ang hinog niya. Thank you, Manay. Burit. Ang gusto ko to. Gusto niyang ipangtulog. You know where that to sleep.
Stop smoking, babe.
No, the atis has some grain to it.
The what then?
The atis, the custard apple.
Had brains?
Grain.
Oh, grain.
It's a bit grainy, like sandy.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's not jumper.
I know. Can we look for another jumper that you can wear to sleep and you can wear this to go out?
I could wear this tomorrow.
I know, to your friends. You know what? I'll find you something, okay? Wear that tomorrow. It says New York. It looks really cute. Oh.
We'll see. If you,
I like
find
the
me, if you can find me another jumper.
Oh yeah, I can find you an old jumper. Let me see, sexy man. Wow. Is he happy?
He's sad. He's a sad jumper.
Ano na niya yan eh. Nung nagdi-declutter ako. Itatapon na sana niya yan. Ay, hindi tatapon. Idodonate. So, sinuot ko. O, diba? Ngayon, gamit pala pantulog. Si Dan lang yung walang masyadong damit pero grabe. Ang lupit niya mag-declutter. Meron na akong gatas dyan, guys. Tubig. Mag-skincare lang ako maya-maya. And ready na tayo matulog. Can we go to the house before we...
No.
Before the... No?
No.
Yan yung tanong ko kanina eh, kung makakapunta ba sa bahay before ng settlement date, pero hindi pala. So, lilipat tayo kapag settlement date na talaga. So, First week of July, guys. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana guys nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.